Welcome to our magical journal. What's the quote, Addison?
The quote today is "Reach for the stars" by Mom.
Oh.
But we don't know who.
Reach for the stars. I just wrote that down. What is our family topic, Addison, before we get started?
We kind of started out with space, then we Jupiter is the first planet.
Awesome. So it's our oldest planet.
Yeah.
It was the first to form. Okay.
And no solid surface.
What does that mean?
That means that you can't land on it.
Yes. And it's made of what? What's it made of? Gas.
Yes.
Okay.
79 moons. That means it has 79
moons.
And it's a king planet.
What does that mean?
I don't know what that means, but I just wrote it down.
Well, king planet. So king planet means basically it almost protects us from it will pull in different asteroids and keep us from getting impacted. It'll take the impact for us. It's big. It's the first to form. It's been around the longest, and it's the king planet.
Yeah.
The planet Saturn. And I love Saturn. Always have. It's the second largest planet of 8 planets. So Addison did the largest planet. I'm doing the second largest. It's 10 times as wide as Earth. It's made of hydrogen and helium. Only planet that's less dense than water, meaning that if you had a really big ocean and you plop Saturn down, it would float. It does not have any surface to land on. It's made completely of gas, and there's no land mass or anything. It has on the very top, it has a massive hurricane. It's actually in the shape of a hexagon, I think they said, like the pole, but it spins around and it's a massive hurricane up there. It has more than 50 moons, and it is, let's see, the rings are made of asteroids, rocks, anything that's kind of pulled in and stuck there going around. And the reason why the rings don't fall out of place is because there's 2 moons that kind of keep that gravity pull and keep it in place, that orbit Saturn.
I'm interested in this planet, and I love this planet.
What is it? What did you do?
I did,
what planet did you do? You did Mars.
Mars is a very cool planet.
Very cool. Tell us about it.
And it's almost the size of, what is that planet?
Well, it's not a planet. It's
not planet. Country.
What is it? It starts with an A. We studied Africa. So it's almost
the size of Africa.
Almost as wide as Africa. So wide.
Wide as Africa.
So it's very small, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what else? What's the crust made of? The crust is, well, we're talking about how it gets the red color. So what is it made out of? The crust.
I don't.
Starts with an I.
Hydrogen.
Nope. Iron.
Iron.
And it's exposed to what? What do we breathe in? What's that gas called? No, not hydrogen.
I don't know.
Oxygen. It's exposed to oxygen. Iron is on the crust, and it turns what? What color does it turn? Red. That's what gives us its red color. Is the crust is made of iron, and it rusts out when exposed to oxygen.
But it's not the color like Addison's shirt.
No, it's like
a brown red.
Like a brown red. Yeah. What do they send up to Mars? Tell us about what they send. Earth does.
Rovers.
They send rovers.
And the rovers pick up rocks and samples of rocks, and they take pictures for the scientists the rocks are for them to look for fossils.
And also to see what it's made out of.
If there's fossils, you know what? There was life on that planet once.
That's right. That's right. What did you learn this week? Tell us in the comments. Bye.
Happy